2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account.
Corporate people, it's your boy Gani, and welcome back to another video. And I've been slacking with uploading lately, but I've been really busy with my personal stuff. But yeah, don't worry guys, I'm going to be trying my best to stay consistent. But today we're at B&M, the big saving retail store. They sell great items that I'm able to resell. I came here, I think 3 weeks ago. All the items I bought actually did sell, so I'm back here again. I'm going to go inside, show you all items, show you all the profits as well. You might probably see me scan some items as well. So yeah, let's get into it. So right now I'm in the toy section. Got my Amazon sellers account here, and literally what I'm doing is just scanning all the toys. And yeah, when I find an item with profit, I just pick it up. Maybe buy like 5, 6 of them. Depends on the price of the item, but yeah. It's a long, tedious, but it is what it is. We gotta do it, you get me? We gotta try get, you know, gotta try to secure the bag, you get what I'm saying, guys? But yeah, I'm gonna come back to all of you when I do find an item that I make profit on, and I'll show you all. Yes, guys, you probably figured who the hell's holding the phone. My beautiful wife's holding my phone.
Yes, I am.
But yeah, what was I gonna say? So I found this item. It was 2 for £20. I'm gonna show you all quickly what you do. You scan it, boom, and they click it. So I am allowed to sell it. The rank is actually decent, almost 15k. But then because 2 is for £20, so one basically for 10, so you probably get 2. But then the net proceeds and then the cost of the purchases, it will be £10, because if we are gonna buy this, we'll probably buy 2 of this. We'll be losing money. So this one here, no go. So the price of this is 20. So if I did buy this, I'll be losing money basically. Come on. This item, guys, I just gave it a scan. I'm gonna show you all quickly if my phone wants to work. So this product is going for on Amazon for around £17 and 83p. Come on, follow me, cameraman. Cameraman! Guys, by the way, it's my little brother now on the camera, so that's why I'm saying cameraman. So this item here is £8. Let me quickly show you guys how much profit I would be making if... I'm going to show you quickly the profits I would be making if I wasn't gated on this item. And that'll be £3 and 86p. Kind of a bummer. It's kind of a bummer being gated on this item, but you know, next item, because I'm upset that I'm gated on this one. And we're back in the attic. Today's been a massive L, but it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about that. That's just literally part of the game. Sometimes you're gonna go outsourcing, you might find a lot of items, or even a little bit, and sometimes you won't even find any items at all. It's part of the game. But yeah, that's an L. But I do have some good news. A person commented, I think, on my 2 videos ago, and he actually asked me some questions about Amazon FBA, and I actually answered them, and he actually DM'd me, and he actually asked me, oh, I want to start this, how do I start this? And you know, I started helping him. Literally, he made around £300 in his first week on Amazon FBA, which is unbelievable, bro. I'm so happy for you. Keep going, and you know that 1k is next, 10k is next, 100k is next. Yes sir, very proud of you, bro. You continue grinding, and literally I don't even know this person, I just literally helped him. And you know, that's what I want to do. I want all of us to secure the bag, understand? So yeah, if you do need any help with your Amazon FBA, leave a comment down below, and DM me on Instagram, I'll literally help you, because I'm trying to, I want us all to be winning. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm very happy to him, bro. Continue grinding. But yeah, I literally just gave him the foundation on how to start, and all that £300 he made was all items that he sourced himself. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go out there and source. I am literally just download the Amazon Sellers app and just scan away. Literally scan. You've seen me in this video scanning some items, but obviously when I was recording, I scanned so many. I scanned so many different items. It's unbelievable. And yeah, I didn't make no profit. But listen, for the people asking me about my eBay, eBay, I've been kind of laying off the eBay a little bit because I didn't really want to focus on my Amazon. For the people asking me about my eBay, I've been kind of laying down a little bit. I've been going a little bit slowly on that, and I've really been hitting the gas on Amazon. I'm still doing eBay, so when I do go out to source, I do still pop into some charity shops. I do look on Facebook Marketplace, if I can make some quick flips on some items on eBay. But eBay was really for me personally to kind of start into the reselling game with a small capital amount, and keep growing the profit, and then now I'm taking the profit from eBay and putting it into my Amazon FBA. eBay is a great place to start making money and flipping items, and Amazon is a really great place for if you do have a lot more money capital to start with. Amazon is very great, but you can actually just start Amazon with £50 as well. It's all up to you, to be honest. But I did go to a charity shop a couple of days ago, and I picked up iPad Pro 11-inch case, which I picked up for 50p each, and they're brand new. I don't know how or who would do that. I'm gonna show you quickly how it looks. The price is right there. I hope you can see it. 50p. Yeah, and I bought 4. I'm gonna show you quickly that it is brand new, and it's literally still sealed. The boxes might be a little bit damaged, but it's brand new. It's still sealed, and the customer won't mind if the box is a little bit damaged. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, this is what they're really after, and it's brand new. So these cases are going on eBay at around £8 to £10, so it's a little quick flip. And yeah, this is what I have right now. I'm going to be spending a lot more time on my YouTube, a little bit more. I just finished university, so I'm about to graduate, and yeah, because of the coronavirus thing, there's no graduation ceremony this year. It's going to be next year. But yeah, that's all cool, fine with me. For the people, for the people that have been watching me from the start, I appreciate all of you, and all the other people who've been liking, supporting, and subscribing. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button to join the family. And at the end of the day, you guys, I want to see us all win. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I appreciate all of you. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.